Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a St. Peter Chibi charm for vLent. First, mix brown and yellow together to make a tannish color. Then roll it into a cone shape. To make his little arms, roll out a small snake and cut it into 2 pieces. Attach one of these pieces to the top of the cone and bend it slightly downwards. Then roll out a light blue snake and flatten it out. Attach one end of the snake on top of the cone where the arms attach. Then wrap it around the body and reattach it at the shoulder. Then add the other arm and wrap it around the front of the blue shawl. Roll out 2 small balls of light skin color clay and attach them to the end of the arms. To make St. Peter's key, roll out a thicker piece of gold clay. Then cut it into a straight rectangle. Roll out a small ball of gold clay and attach it to the top, flattening it out. Using a dotting tool or a toothpick, make a little hole in the circle. Then cut out 2 tiny squares of gold clay and attach them to the side of the key. I used an X-Acto knife to help straighten out the edges of the key. Use your pinky to gently smooth out where the 2 tiny squares are attached to the key. Then carefully remove it from your counter and make any adjustments you'd like before attaching it to the front of St. Peter's body, right where the hand wraps around. Roll out some more light skin colored clay into a ball for his head. Then use a small dotting tool to indent a mouth. To make his eyes, roll out 2 tiny balls of black clay and flatten them onto his face. You can adjust them with your fingers to make them a little more round. To make his cheeks a little rosy, rub a Q-tip on a piece of pink chalk or pastel and gently blot it onto his cheeks. To make his hair, roll out a thicker noodle of gray clay and wrap it around his head. Trim off any excess and then flatten it. Then use a small dotting tool or toothpick and add texture to the hair. This is my favorite part. To make his little beard, roll out a teardrop shape of gray clay and using a dotting tool or toothpick, make a small hole towards the top. Add the same texture to the beard that you did to the hair. And then gently attach it to the face, right where the mouth indent is. Press it on firmly, and then retexture anywhere that got a little smushed. Gently attach the head to the body by pushing straight down. Then trim an eye pin and fit it through the top down into the body to give it more stability. Here's what the charm looks like before it's baked. If there's anything you don't like, fix it now, and then bake it according to your clay's package instructions. Once it's baked and cooled, add 2 little white dots to his eyes by using a small dotting tool dipped in white paint. I think this just makes him look adorable. And here he is, your finished charm. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more charms this vLent. God bless!